Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to switch to a public profile on Threads, and now let's dive right in. Now, to make your Threads profile public or switch to a public profile on Threads, first open up your Threads app on your phone, as I have already opened it. And after opening your Threads app, guys, you land over here, which is the home interface of Threads. And on this interface, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see a person or a profile icon available for us. Tap on the person or profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you land over here, which is the profile interface of your Threads account. And on this interface, again, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there's a two-line icon available for us just beside the camera logo or the camera icon. Tap on the two-line icon at the top right corner, and you land over here where you can see the privacy option available for us just below the archive or just above the accessibility. Tap on the privacy option over here, and you land over here where you can see the private profile option at the top of the screen. Now, in order to switch to a public profile on Threads, make sure the toggle icon is turned off. To do that, tap on it, and this kind of box will appear where it says switch to public account. Tap on OK, and then your Threads profile will be made public, and this way you will be able to switch to a public profile on Threads. And with that being said, guys, this is how to switch to public profile on Threads. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.